Hi, today I'm going to explain how to make an oxygen analyzer using an industrial display or industrial indicator. What I'm using now is PIC101 and I'm using a ventilator oxygen sensor. This is almost common sensor what we use. This comes under OS1. This is equivalent to all oxygen sensor which is widely used in many oxygen analyzing equipment. Okay, so let me tell you how to configure this industrial indicator with the oxygen sensor. I've taken two terminals from the sensor, the red from one and the minus from the last one. Either this is a minus. Okay, and I've connected this to the millivolt. I've connected this to the millivolt port number 2 and 3, which shows millivolt. Okay, and this works with AC 220 volt. So I have connected the 220 volt terminals here and I have put in the socket. Okay, great. Why I kept this inside a cover? Because this have some life of 1 to 2 years maximum, because once you open, the chemical inside this gets oxidized and it have some life expiry date. So when I keep it inside, I will be able to accurately measure the 21% of oxygen. That's the reason I kept it. So before you get into the industrial programmer, you need to calculate the initial voltage of the sensor. In my case, you put it in DC. In my case, it's around 12 millivolt. It's 12.3 or 12 millivolt in ambient air. Okay, so the maximum it will reach around 60 millivolt. 60 to 63 is the maximum when the oxygen level reaches 100%. Okay, that can be tested using an oxygen cylinder. So what I'm going to do now is turn on the industrial indicator. Now you see the ambient air is sensing around 21%. That's the oxygen level of the ambient condition. Okay, so to set this, what you need to do is press two buttons, the up and the down arrow, for a few seconds. It displays code. You press the square and the upward arrow for a few seconds, get into number 85. Get into number 85. Okay, now press the up arrow. This shows input. You need to get into this mode, millivolt. Okay, this is millivolt. So starting from 0%, this is a scale. Okay, the starting is 20% at watt volt. Okay, so this shows the voltage for the 21%, that is 12.2 volt according to my sensor specification. So I have configured 12.2. in order to change, just press the square button and the upward or the downward button to change the values. Okay, after this, press the up arrow. This is a descending value. What is the maximum it should show is 100. When it should show 100 is here, 56. When it goes to 56 millivolt, that means it is measuring 100% pure oxygen according to my oxygen sensor. Normally it will go around 55 to 60 depending on what sensor that you use. My sensor model reaches 100 at 56. Just get into EN or the reset, turn off the indicator, turn it on, and you see 21.1. okay, so this is how you program the industrial indicator for the oxygen sensor. This is a very good cost efficient oxygen analyzer that you can use for any do-it-yourself project. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to change the value, you can definitely get into the programming mode and you can change. Usually what happens, if you shake or if you try to give more pressure into the oxygen sensor, the value keeps fluctuating. That's the reason before I configured, I kept it inside a cover and then I took the measurement. How do you check if this is working or not? Just blow some air into the oxygen sensor. The value must decrease. You see, it decreases. Why it decreases? Because we are giving out carbon dioxide and other gases out, so the oxygen level should go down. So now you see 20.7. got it? So this is how you configure oxygen sensor using industrial indicator. I got this for around 1200 bucks. You can get it anywhere in Amazon and Flipkart. You can get it in many other electrical stores as well. Okay, the oxygen sensor that I'm using is Cirus OS1. This is a series. I got it from Chennai, India. This do have an expiry date, so before you buy, just look it have not exceeded more than 1 year, because the life of this is around 2 years when it is packed. When it is opened, it's around 6 months to 1.5 years depending upon your usage. Okay, great, thank you, have a great day.